Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, that is addition and subtraction of bigger numbers. So class, these are our learning objectives. Now let's start the chapter. Neha, Ruhi, David and Raghav went to a zoo. ये कहाँ गए हैं? नेहा, डेविड, रूही एंड राघव वो जू गए हैं. They counted each type of animal there. और उन्होंने वहां पर सभी टाइप्स के एनिमल को क्या किया है? काउंट किया है. सी क्लास, there are giraffes, elephant, monkeys and tigers also. Okay, write how many animals of each type are there. Neha counted elephant and David counted tigers. See, count the elephants. 1, 2. 2 elephants. Now tigers. 1, 2, 3. 3 tigers are there. Now total animals, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 animals. Now Ruhi counted giraffe and Raghav counted monkeys. So count the giraffes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many giraffes are there? 4 giraffes. Now monkeys, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 monkeys are there. Now 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 animals. Understand class? Now see, regrouping of numbers from tens to 100. Tens to 100. Observe the following. 10 ones is equal to 1 tens. 10 ones is equal to 1 tens. 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 tens is equal to 100. Now class, also 5 into 10, 50, 5 into 10, 50 and 4 into 10, 40. So that is 10 into 10 or 4 into 10. So 10 into 10, 100. See class. Now here it is 14 tens. 14 tens and 1 plus 1 hundreds plus 4. So 14. 1 hundreds plus 4. Yes class. 1 hundreds plus 4 tens. Okay. Now see, 5 into 10, 5 into 10, 6 into 10. Now 16 tens plus 4 ones. Now 10 into 10, 6 into 10, 1 hundreds plus 6 tens plus 4 ones. Now again, see, 10 into 10, 6 into 10, 6 into 10, 1 hundreds plus 12 tens and 10 into 10, 10 into 10, 2 into 10, 2 hundreds plus 2 tens. Okay. Now class, see addition of 2-digit numbers, regrouping tens only. Regrouping tens only. See class, example, add 63 and 54. Expanded form, 63, 6 tens plus 3 ones, 54, 5 tens plus 4 ones. Now add them. 3 plus 4, 7 and 6 plus 5, 11. So 11 tens plus 7 ones. Now 1 hundreds plus 1 tens plus 1 sevens. So 63 plus 54, 1 hundreds plus 1 tens plus 1s, it is 117. Okay. Now short form, step 1, write the numbers in column like this. Add ones, 3 ones plus 4 ones, 7. Write under 7, write 7 under ones column. See. Now step 3rd, add tens, 6 plus 6 tens plus 5 tens is equal to 11 tens, 1 hundreds plus 1 tens. So here 17. Write 1 under tens column and carry over 1 hundreds to hundreds column. See here, and it will become downside. Write 1 hundreds carried under hundreds column. Okay. Adding larger 2-digit number result in 3-digit number. जब हम 2-digit नंबर, लार्जर 2-digit नंबर को ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा रिजल्ट क्या होता है? 3-digit नंबर हो जाता है. ओके. Now addition of 2-digit numbers, regrouping tens and ones only. Now class, add 46 and 96. Expanded form, 4 tens plus 6 ones. 46 को हमने क्या है? 4 tens plus 6 ones. Now 96 को 9 tens plus 6 ones. So 6 plus 6, 12. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 tens plus 12 ones. Now 1 hundreds plus 3 tens plus 1 tens plus 2 ones. 1 hundreds, 4 tens, 2 ones. Now 46 plus 96 1 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 2 ones. It is 142. Now see short form of this. Now step 1, write the numbers in column. Now add ones. 6 ones plus 6 ones is equal to 12 ones. Now 12 ones कैसे होगा? 1 tens plus 2 ones. Write 2 under the ones column and carry over 1 tens to the tens column. 2 under the ones column and carry. Now step 3rd. Add tens, 4 tens, 9 tens plus 1 tens, carry this one. Now it is 14 tens, 1 hundreds plus 4 tens. So 4, write 4 under the tens column and carry here. Over 1 hundreds to the hundreds column. Now step 4, write 1 hundreds carry under the hundreds column here. So 46 plus 96 is equal to 142. Let us add 45, 32 and 28. Step 1, firstly arrange in a column. Now add ones. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 8, 15 and write 5 under the ones. Now 1 carry. Now 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1 carry, 10. Write 0 under the tens column. 1 carry. Now 1 will come downside. Okay, now it is 105. Okay. Now students, come on the exercise 6.1. Add the following. 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 6, 14. Now 3 plus 2, 5. 8 plus 4, 12. Rest of the parts, do yourself. Now addition of 3-digit numbers without carry. Now class example at 231 and 124 expanded form. Take class expanded form 200s plus 3 tens plus 1 ones. Okay. Similarly 124, 100s 2 tens plus 4 ones. 3, 4 plus 1, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 1, 3. Now 300s plus 5 tens plus 5 ones. So 231 plus 124 is equal to 300s plus 5 tens plus 5 ones. So it is 355. Now class, see the short form of the question. Now step 1, write the numbers in columns like this. Now add ones. 1 ones plus 4 ones, 5 ones. Write 5 under the ones column. Now add tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens, 5 tens. Write 5 under the tens column again. Now step 4, add hundreds. 2 hundreds plus 1 hundreds, 3 hundreds. Write 3 under the hundreds column. So the required addition is 231 plus 124 is equal to 355. Okay. Now class, come addition of 3-digit numbers with carry. With carry class. Now example, add 356 and 448 expanded form 356, 300s 5 tens plus 6 ones. Similarly 448, 400s 4 tens plus 8 ones. Now 8 plus 6, 14 ones. 5 plus 4, 9 tens. 3 plus 4, 700s. Now class, 700s plus 9 tens plus 1 tens plus 4 ones. So tens plus tens. Now 700s, 10 tens plus 4 ones. 700s plus 10 tens means 100s plus 4 ones. So 800s plus 4 ones. So 356 plus 448 is equal to 800s plus 4 ones. So it is 804. Easy. Now class, see the short form. Step 1, write the numbers in columns like this. You have to arrange the numbers in columns. Now add ones. 6 ones plus 8 ones is equal to 14 ones. 14 ones is equal to 1 tens plus 4 ones. Write 4 under ones column and carry over 1 tens to tens column. See, 4, 1 carry. Now step 3rd, add tens. 5 tens plus 4 tens plus 1 tens, carry. 10 tens means 100. Okay. Write 0 under tens column and carry over the hundreds digit 1. See 1 to the hundreds column. Okay. Now add hundreds. 300 plus 400s, 100s plus, so that is carried. Okay, is equal to 800s. Write 8 under the hundreds column. Now the sum is 804. Understand class? Now students come on the exercise 6.2. Add the following. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. Now B, 7 plus 2, 9. 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 1, 9. Understand class? Do the questions carefully class, and rest of the parts do yourself. Now subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. Now subtract 214 from 368. Now class, see the expanded form. 368, 306 tens plus 8 ones, 214 200s plus 1 tens is 1 tens plus 4 ones. So it is 8 minus 4, 4, 6 minus 1, 5, 3 minus 2, 1. So 368 minus 214 is equal to 100 plus 5 tens plus 4 ones. So it is 154. Now class, see the short form. Step 1, write the numbers in columns like this. Firstly, you have to arrange the numbers in column. Write the greater number above the smaller number. Write the greater number above the smaller number. Okay. Step 2, subtract 1. 8 ones minus 4 ones is equal to 8 minus 4, 4. Now write 4 under ones column. 8 minus 4, 4. Now class, come on the step 3. Subtract tens. 6 tens minus 1 tens is equal to 5 tens. 6 minus 1, 5. Write 5 under the tens column. Now, step 4, subtract hundreds. 300s minus 200s is equal to 100s. Write 100s. Write 1 under hundreds column. So the required subtraction is 154. Okay. Now class, subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. Now with borrowing. Now example, subtract 468 from 642. Step 1, write the given numbers in columns and write the greater number above the smaller number. Write the greater number above the smaller number. Step 2, subtract 1. Since we cannot subtract, अब क्लास हम 2 में से 8 को सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते. 8 ones from 2 ones. We regroup tens to 1. We regroup tens to 1. Write 4 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 3 tens plus 12 ones. Now subtract 12 ones. That is 12 ones minus 8 ones, 4 ones. Write 4 under ones column. Like this. Now step 3rd, subtract tens. Since we cannot subtract, अब हम again subtract 6 tens from 3 tens. We regroup hundreds to tens. Now write 6 under. Now 6 hundreds plus 3 tens is equal to 5 hundreds plus 13 tens. Now subtract tens, that is 13 tens minus 6 tens is equal to 7 tens. Now write 7 under tens column like this. Now step 4, subtract hundreds. 5 hundreds minus 4 hundreds is equal to 1 hundreds. Write 1 under hundreds column. So 642 minus 462 is equal to 174. Understand class? Now let us subtract 458 from 735. Class, firstly we have to arrange the numbers in column. And we have to write the greater number above the smaller number. Greater number above the smaller number. Now subtract ones firstly. Now 5 will become 15. 15 minus 8, 7. Now class, अब यहाँ पे इसने इसको बोरो दिया था, तो 3 will become 2. Now 2, 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Now 7 will become 6. Now 6 minus 4, 2. So the required subtraction is 277. Now class, come on the exercise 6.3. Subtract the following. 5 minus 3, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 4 minus 2, it is 2. So 222 is the answer. Now 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 7, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. The answer is 212. Okay. Now students, rest of the parts do yourself. Now class, word problems of addition and subtraction. Example number 1, a fruit seller 232 apples. एक fruit seller के पास 232 apples है class and 168 oranges. और 168 oranges, find the total numbers of fruit. एक fruit seller के पास 232 apples हैं और 168 oranges हैं. तो total number of fruit उसके पास कितने हैं? So now we have to add them. Firstly, we have to arrange the numbers in column. 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1. 6 plus 3, 9, plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So total fruits is 400. Now, example number 2, Manisha had 783 tomatoes growing in her orchard. She plucked 534 tomatoes out of them. अब उसने इतने टोमेटोज में से इतने क्या कर लिया, उनको प्लक्ड कर लिया, तोड़ लिया. हाउ मेनी टोमेटोज वर लेफ्ट? हाउ मेनी टोमेटोज वर लेफ्ट? नाउ 3 विल बी, अब हम 3 में से 4 को माइनस नहीं कर सकते. वी कैन नॉट सब्ट्रैक्ट 4 फ्रॉम 3. We cannot subtract 4 from 3, so 3 will become 13. 13 minus 4, 9. 8 will become 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 7 minus 5, 2. Okay. 13 minus 4, 9. 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 5, 2. Okay. So the answer is 249. Okay. Now class, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.